I deal with our DSCSA coordination at the warehouse. I make sure that everything that comes in is properly serialized in and properly serialized out. When I joined the company, I just joined as a warehouse manager, so we were not as advanced in DSA at that point. When I joined the DSCSA team, we had to do a lot of development work, but we also had to rethink how we did a lot of things in the warehouse itself. So we've spent a lot of time working on our processes internally. Since we verified our products twice, our operations changed in the speed of how we get stuff out. We have to scan a product to verify it when we pick it, and then we verify it again when we send it out. On the exception side, initially we were looking at doing it through emails and through phone calls and through a very manual process. The Investigator for logistics has helped us automate that process and use it in a way to help us keep the manufacturers and everyone in the whole communication chain informed as to what's going on. As a wholesaler, if we can't get the data in or get the data out, we can't sell a product. So DSCSA has become core to how we operate. The Investigator for logistics has definitely helped. Quarantining products, we don't have a lot in quarantine, so we can attribute some of that to Investigator for logistics. I think our manufacturers know that we do take that seriously. So I think some of them make sure that we actually get the data. So I think that's helped. It's definitely saved us time because we don't have to send 500 emails. It's more anecdotal evidence of using LSPedia as a return on investment for us. Like I said, I know the processes in the warehouse are smoother by the way that LSPedia helps us work. From the implementation team side and working with LSPedia, so it's been a good experience. LSPedia has been very responsive to us. The team that we've had on that side of it, has always been there for us. We've had some crazy questions. They've always figured out how to help us solve those questions. If someone wants to consider LSPedia, then they should definitely consider it. And if they need someone to talk to, they'll feel free to call us. We'd be happy to tell them our experiences with LSPedia.